Hello dear students. In previous video I told you about the relative pronouns. Today I'll explain about reflexive pronouns and emphasizing pronouns in this video, right? So you can open page number 29. I'll explain you from book. Now on page number 29 there are few statements. We need to read it first. Number 1, I myself saw him do it. Right? I myself saw him do it. Second, we will see to it ourselves. Next, you yourself can best explain. He himself said so. She herself says so. We saw the president himself. The town itself is not very large. They themselves admitted their guilt. The prisoner hanged himself. The horse has hurt itself. You express yourself very imperfectly. I have hurt myself. See, there are 12 statements I have read. It will be seen that the words in italics are used in two ways. See, in every statement there are words in italics. Like in first statement, myself, and second statement, ourselves. So these are the words which are written in italics. These words have two ways of meaning. Like it will be seen that the words in italics are used in two ways. दो तरीके से हम इन words को use कर सकते हैं, right? For example, for emphasis with a noun or pronoun, if we are talking about emphasis pronouns, okay, emphasizing pronoun. See, myself, yourself, herself, itself, themselves, these all are emphasis and reflexive as well, right? But how we are using these words in a statement, where we are putting these words in a statement, that depends that it is the particular one is reflexive and the another one is emphasizing pronoun. Okay, for emphasis with the noun or pronoun, if we are using it as emphasis, then it will use with noun and pronoun, just because here we are emphasizing. हम emphasize कर रहे हैं, किसी बात को जोर देकर बोल रहे हैं, that is emphasizing. Okay, like as in sentence 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, they are then called emphasizing pronoun. Now see, statement number 1, again I'm reading. I myself saw him do it. I, here I is a pronoun. जब हम noun या pronoun के साथ इन words को use करते हैं, so there they are considered as emphasis, because हम emphasize कर रहे हैं. I myself, मैं खुद करूँगा. I myself saw him do it. मैं खुद देखूँगा उसको करते हुए. Do it, right? We will see it to ourselves, right? You yourself can best explain. Now the second, not the third one, second one, the third. You yourself can best explain. So with pronoun we are using yourself. You, yourself. It, ourself in second statement. Okay, he, himself in fourth statement. So here these are considered as emphasizing pronoun. Second way, as reflexives, when they are objects of a verb. reflexive में यही words होते हैं, but ये object होते हैं. They are objects of a verb. Verb के object होते हैं, but refer to the same person as the subject of the verb. As in sentence 9. Now look at the sentence 9. The prisoner hanged himself. So here himself is as object. Okay, object of the verb. The prisoner hanged himself, right? They are then reflexive pronoun. Whom did the prisoner hang? We can ask question, whom did the prisoner hang? Answer is himself. Okay, so here it is used as reflexive pronoun, right? We see that the prisoner is the doer of the action as well as the receiver of the action. जो रिसीवर होता है वो जनरली ऑब्जेक्ट होता है, तो यहाँ पे डूअर और रिसीवर एक ही है, प्रिजनर. ओके, बट ये ऑब्जेक्ट के प्लेस पे यूज हुआ है, सो हियर इट इज कंसीडर्ड एज रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन इन ऑल द स्टेटमेंट. लाइक आई हैव हर्ट माई सेल्फ. ओके, so the object of the verb is hurt, object of the verb myself. To whom I have hurt? Myself. Answer is myself. Object का पता कैसे लगाते हैं? To whom I have hurt myself. Okay, so it is object here and it is used as reflexive. In 10th one, the horse has hurt itself. To whom the horse has hurt? Itself. So here hurt is a verb और उसका जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो itself है. तो जब ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह इसको यूज़ कर रहे हैं, there it is considered as reflexive. और जब नाउन या प्रोनाउन के साथ यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो it is emphasizing. जब हम emphasize कर रहे हैं, I myself do my work. मैं खुद अपना काम करूँगी. I will do my work myself. मैं अपना काम खुद कर लूँगी. Right? So there is a difference. एक में हम प्रेशराइज या प्रेशर के साथ बोल रहे हैं, आई माई सेल्फ, मैं खुद करूँगी. यू योर सेल्फ विल डू द टास्क. यू विल डू द टास्क योर सेल्फ. Okay, now I think you understood the difference between reflexive and emphasizing. Now the definition, have a look. The pronouns myself, ourself, itself, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, itself, themselves, we use as the object of a verb. जब हम इनको वर्ब के ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह यूज करते हैं. और preposition are called reflexive pronoun that we understood with the help of sentences. When reflexive pronouns are used to put emphasis. Okay, जब reflexive pronouns को हम यूज करते हैं for emphasizing on a particular noun, they are called emphatic or emphasizing pronouns. Right? One important thing, you need to read, you need to learn definitions also of all the terms like noun, pronoun or whatever chapters we included in term 1. जो chapters term 1 में आएंगे उनसे related definitions you need to know. Like here are 3 definitions on that page. Definition of possessive pronoun, definition of relative pronoun, definition of reflexive and emphasizing. Because we may ask questions related to definitions also in your examination. Okay, suppose we can say a pronoun like who and which that relate or refer to a noun preceding them in a sentence is called dash. So you need to know, there we need to put relative pronoun. Understood? So learn definitions also, not only of this chapter, of the previous chapter also, which we have completed. Right? Here exercise 3 and 4 on page number 30 and 31, we will cut that exercise. These 2 exercises are omitted. So you can cut these 2 exercises. ये दोनों exercise आपको cut करनी है. We will not do these exercises, right? And in next video, I'll explain you about the demonstrative and indefinite pronoun. Right? Revise it. Thank you.